Since 1940, the corner of 57th Street and 5th Avenue in New York City has been famous for the beautiful Tiffany Company building that stands there. More than just a store, the Tiffany flagship has been a travel destination, a cinematic character, and a shining representative of the jewelry and watch industry at large. In 2019, Tiffany embarked on a remarkable renovation of this historic location, creating the first holistic transformation of the store since it opened 8 decades before. After 4 years of construction, this icon of New York reopened its doors and dazzled the world with custom artwork, imaginative design, and some of the world's most recognizable jewels. The building was rechristened The Landmark, and a star-studded celebration kicked off the house's next chapter. As someone who studies the timeline of jewelry, I knew I was witnessing a moment that will always be recognized throughout history. The famous facade was completely refurbished to honor its original design, while the interiors have been fully reimagined. 3 glass stories were added on top of the existing structure to house galleries and the Tiffany Private Club. While the exterior is an homage to the past, the newly designed interior is a look toward the future. From mirrors that transform into video walls, doors that spin to reveal hidden treasures, and immersive jewelry displays, the Landmark is a magical oasis in the heart of the bustling city. As visitors travel between floors along a sculptural staircase reminiscent of the flowing designs of Elsa Peretti, they will discover impressive, one-of-a-kind jewels, in addition to the classic Tiffany Company icons. The Landmark is now home to the largest collection of Tiffany high jewelry in the world. Part art gallery, part gathering space, part luxury shopping experience, the Landmark has become a shining jewel that helps to promote and elevate the entire jewelry industry.